Hi everyone, we made it. We made it through week one. Now we're in week two. I wanted to post a little video in regards to expectations, in regards to what's going on, letting the dust settle a little bit because I had people trying to add, people dropping, etc. All right, so expectations. I will do my best, and I hope you noticed. I will do my best to get everything up for you on Sunday night or Monday morning the week of. So, for example, we're doing chapter 2 right now, and I put everything up. I have week 2, chapter 2, and I have a page for that. Also, I'll give you guys a week to get that stuff done, and then turn around, like, will be a week where stuff is due Sunday evening. So please look at the deadlines. And one way to do it too, that's kind of simple. On Canvas, on the left side, if you click on the syllabus, you just click on it, and then you'll see there's a calendar at the bottom, and it tells you dates, due dates, and times, and all of that. So there's that. Okay, also online office hours. I'm leaning towards Tuesday afternoon, like Tuesday 12 to 2. I'm going to go ahead and be posting that soon. Grading. I will do the grading and try to get it back to you within a week. So for example, I have the first week's stuff. I'm trying to get that done for you and up this week by today. It'll be on Canvas. You can see it. You can always view your grades. Homework, please do your homework. So there's the My Lab. There's the homework that I post. People, it's easy points. Just get it done. Basically, again, if you've noticed, this is vocabulary. So it's practice, practice, practice. So do that to practice the words, to get a feel for them, and that way you'll do well in the class. My Lab, you do need My Lab. Again, they're easy points. Every week we'll have activities to do for that chapter. And so that's getting you to study. And then turn your stuff in. The deadline was Sunday, and a lot of you did your stuff. Some of you did not. Get it done. If you don't know what you're doing, you can email me and ask me. The publisher gives you a 14-day grace period. By the way, I had some people ask me about this too. When you go to My Lab, when you pay for My Lab, there's also an EText, so electronic text, so you have the textbook. So if you noticed, the first chapter, a lot of terminology. Please, 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 when you're studying, when you're focusing, you need to focus on the tables, right? The tables have basically all the vocabulary that you need. Plus, at the end of the book, at the end of the chapter, there's study and review. So if you look at this, like I have the physical book, but you have this with your ebook where it says study and review. Do this, okay? This is your study guide. This is a study guide for the test, literally, okay? So it's about vocabulary. It's about how to put words together. So prefixes, suffixes, roots, what do they mean? How do we put those words together? And how does it translate into the medical field? So we're into week 2. Let's do this. You could do this. Email me if you have any questions. Oh yes, email. I will do my best to email you back within 24 hours, maybe 48. On the weekend, I've been really proactive with the email, but sometimes I might not be if it's the weekend. But 24 to 48 hours during the week. Okay? All right. Talk to you guys later. Bye.